Go check out SerpSuite SEO Rank Tracker at www.SerpSuite.com.
And this is a relatively new account, so the first thing you're going to want to do is add a category. So this is essentially a folder. You can call this, whatever you want. It's a way to group the keywords that you're tracking the ranking for. We're using Apple, and the first thing I'm going to go over is the ability for us to go ahead and find keywords that you didn't know that you were ranking for and go ahead and list them all out. So for example, apple.com is our website. The maximum limit is the results that you want it to return. So let's say you want to find 10 keywords that you're ranking for that you're not already tracking. You click on add keywords, and it's as simple as that. The software is going to go out. It found 10 keywords that apple.com is ranking for. And in just a few moments, it's gathering data. It's going to show the ranking positions. Now, these ranking positions are updated twice daily, so you'll always have up-to-date ranking positions. Now, while that's loading, let's go ahead and let's say you have a competitor that you want to find keywords that they're ranking for. So what you can do is go ahead and type in Samsung, for example, to create a category, and let's use Samsung.com, right, Apple's competitor. And I want to see 10 keywords that they're ranking for, and I can use this to get ideas for keywords that maybe I should go for that they're going for. And it's going to go ahead and return these results, and it's going to go ahead and pull out the ranking positions now for Google. So let's go ahead and head back over to Apple to see the ranking positions. There you go. It takes usually typically less than 30 seconds depending on the amount of keywords that you added. So right here, it's showing the ranking positions, and you can go ahead in this table, look at the charts to preview historical data as the ranking positions are changing for all your keywords. And inside this table as well, you can, inside this category, you can download reports in two different formats, CSV and PDF. And then we added PDF Plus, which is essentially an extended PDF version that includes the charts. So if you ever want to download reports for yourself or clients, you can go ahead and download the report straight through here. And you can view the quick stats here, daily, weekly, or monthly, the changes. Now, as you can tell, we spent a lot of time working on the design. Most rank trackers are typically plain, boring, and only serve one purpose. So with that being said, SerpSuite has a lot of different features. As to start off with, not only can you discover, you can do the main thing, which is manually add keywords that you want. We work with 4 search engines: Google, Bing, Yahoo, and YouTube, and we can do local rank tracking as well. And here's the bulk import feature, where you can go ahead and bulk import any of the keywords that you have from maybe another rank tracking service that you're using. So let's hop over and show you now, just the nuts and bolts, and really just the rest of the features of SerpSuite to go over those a little bit. We have a full white label area where you can go ahead and add your company information. So when you download reports, or you create a client portal, which we'll go over in a second, you can go ahead and white label all your reports for your clients. So you can add unlimited team members as you want. If you ever want to give any of your team members access, and you can limit actually to certain categories that they have access to, so you don't actually have to give them access to your entire account. Notifications, a huge thing is we want to save you as much time as possible. We don't want you, having to log in to check your rankings every single time. So we created this way where you can go ahead and set notifications to automatically email you when significant things happen. So email me, for example, when keywords in Apple, in the category Apple, leave the top 3. And if that happens, you create this notification, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And if you want to stop receiving emails from this notification, all you have to do is delete it. You can add and remove as many notifications as you like. So notifications are a great way to save you from having to log into the software every single day. Now, reports, not only can you download reports straight from the categories for yourself or for your clients, you can do automated reports. It's another big thing, that we're working towards, which is saving you as much time as possible. If you have any clients and you want reports sent to them automatically, or consistently every day, week, or month, you can go ahead and mail them straight to here. You can set them. You can write the subject. You can say it's from you. It's completely white labeled as well, the reports, and you can send up to 5 at one time. You can send as many as you want, but one single report, up to 5 emails. and you can send it in all 3 different formats. And the reports can be specific categories. So let's say I have a client that I wanted to share the Samsung and Apple category. I can type in both those categories, or I can select just one of those categories, and you can schedule them daily, weekly, or monthly. Now, the last thing that we took SerpSuite to a different level, and we created what we call is a client portal. Now, this client portal, it's one-click setup. You simply type in what you want your subdomain to be, and you click create, and it creates this client portal for you. And what this is, it's a white labeled center that you can send your clients to a login page, right? And it's this URL right here, and it's a login page that they have access to their categories. So if you have a client, you can assign certain categories to them. They can log in 24/7 with their own username and password, and they can check their rankings live. So this is just if you have any clients that want to go ahead and check their rankings at time. And I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. I think we uploaded a picture of a dog as our logo, but I mean, we're just testing and messing around. But that's the client portal essentially. And that is the gist of it with SerpSuite. It's an extremely powerful rank tracking platform that you can really discover keywords that you didn't even know you were ranking about, and you can easily rank for those keywords by changing a few things and increase your traffic. Now, of course, we have premium support at any given time. You can click this question mark right here, and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. We're around 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we'll get back to you.